Started. Welcome to Scimaster Academy. Continuation of differential equations. The last method, linear differential equations. So దీంతో differential equations finish. దీంతో 2v కూడా finish. So linear differential equation. Linear అంటేనే power 1, degree 1. Okay. So differential equation we know which is in the form of dy by dx plus something. So what is order? 1. 1. What is the degree? 1. So this is linear differential equation. Two types of linear differential equations we have. dy by dx plus py equal to q ఇలా అయినా ఉండొచ్చు. dx by dy plus px equal to q ఇలా అయినా ఉండొచ్చు. డిఫరెన్స్ చూడండి. This is dy by dx. This is dx by dy. py px is equal to q. If you have dy by dx plus py equal to q form, p and q, ఈ p and q terms ఎప్పుడు కూడా in terms of what? X. Here p and q always in terms of y. Okay, dy by dx plus py equal to q ఫామ్ లో ఉంటే pq ఎప్పుడు కూడా x టర్మ్స్ లో ఉంటాయి. ఏవో ఒక ఫంక్షన్ sin x, e power x, log x, cos x, whatever it is. If you have dx by dy plus px equal to q, p and q terms in y, something log y, sin y, cos y, whatever it is. So to solve this type of linear differential equations, we have solution. What is the solution? Y into integration factor equal to integration factor into q dx. Same y x integration factor q dx dy reverse. Okay. What about integration factor? We know y and into telsu. Dx we know dx. P and q in terms of x we have functions. What about integration factor? So for this type of linear differential equation is a linear differential equation. Working rule dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are in terms of x, and we have to find what? Integration factor. What is the formula to find integration factor? E power integral p dx. ikkadaithe e power integral p dy. Why? Because here p x term kabatti dx, here p y term kabatti dy. So you should remember only three things. One thing, which model, this model or this model. Second thing, integration factor, e power p dx or p dy. Third one, solution, y into this one or y into this one, then you will get the solution. Whatever it is given question, you should convert into this form first of all, then you will get p and q, then you can find integration factor, then you can substitute in the solution. That is the process. See here, find integration factor and only is asking to find what? Integration factor for this, right? So always the linear differential equation starting with dy by dx or dx by dy. This is what cos x into kada. So given question, dy by dx into what? Cos x plus y sin x is equal to what? Tan x. We need only dy by dx. It should be eliminated. That's why divide by cos x ra. dy by dx y sin x by cos x is equal to tan x by cos x. Any doubt? No doubt? Now see, dy by dx okay, plus sin x by cos x what? Tan x into what? Y is equal to tan x by cos x can be written as what? Yes, secant x into tan x. This is in terms of x. This is in terms of x. Okay na? So this is in the form of differential equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q. I said that p and q in terms of x kada. So p is what here? P is equal to tan x. Q is what here? Secant x tan x. Is asking only find what? Integration factor. What is the formula integration factor for this type of linear differential equation? E power integral p dx, which is equal to e power integral p tan x dx. What is integral tan x? log mod secant x, which is equal to e power log mod secant x base e. So log e power log secant x base e is clearly what? Secant x. So this is integration factor. Integration factor ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలి అంటే ఇది ప్రాసెస్. First you have to convert dy by dx plus py equal to q or dx by dy equal plus px equal to ఏదో ఒక ఫార్ములాకి మార్చి you have to find p and q. Then you have to go the formula integration factor. After getting integration factor, for this I am doing directly solution. What is the solution formula? Y into integration factor is equal to integration factor into q dx. Y into integration factor secant x is equal to integration factor secant x. What is q? Secant x into tan x into dx. దీన్ని ఇప్పుడు సాల్వ్ చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ అయిపోతుంది. అది మనం నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ లో చేస్తాం. సో వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్ హియర్, సెకండ్ అండ్ థర్డ్. యూ హావ్ టు కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ dy by dx ఫామ్ కదా. టేక్ దిస్ వన్ రా. y ఉంది, we should eliminate y. So what you will get? dy by dx minus x by y is equal to 2y cube by y. I am dividing with y on both sides here. Y cancel. So here one time y cancel, more two times so dy by dx minus I am writing plus minus c ఫామ్ ఎలా ఉంది? dy by dx plus py equal to q కదా, ప్లస్ py p and x అందులో y లో ఉండాలి అంటే dx by dy అనుకుంటా ఇది క్వశ్చన్. ఐ థింక్ దిస్ ఇస్ dx by dy. ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. యా, దిస్ ఇస్ dx by dy. దిస్ ఇస్ dx. ఇక్కడ కూడా dx by dy, dx by dy, dx by dy. Now see, dx by dy plus ఈ x ఉందా, ఈ y టర్మ్ ఉందా, ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ సి minus 1 by y into x. Can we write? ఎందుకు సార్? ఫామ్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. which is equal to what here? 2y square, which is in the form of dx by dy. ఇదిగో plus px is equal to q, where p is what ra? Minus 1 by y. Q is what ra? 2y square. What is integration factor formula? E power integral p dy, yeah, p dx, which is equal to e power integral, what is p? Minus 1 by y dy, which is e power minus by తీసేస్తే 1 by y dy. What is 1 by y dy? Log y, e power minus log y, which is e power log y power minus 1 base e, which is equal to y power minus 1, which is equal to 1 by y. Y power minus 1 అంటే 1 by y aga. Same, this also have to divide by x, then you will get. So here he is asking find only integration factor. Next students. So next is asking to find the solution. Solve ante you have to find solution, till solution cheyali. Only integration factor for very short, solve for long answer or 4 marks question. See, solve, solution, listen carefully, all will be same process. So we need only dy by dx, that's why dy by dx plus y by sin square y by sin square x is equal to cot x by sin square x. This is dy by dx in plus y into sin square x will become what? Cosecant square x is equal to cot x by sin square x. Cot x means what? Cos x by sin x, or sin square x take numerator ra. Cot x into cosecant square x, which is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is p ra, py, this is q. So right here, what is p? Cosecant square x. What is q? Cot x into cosecant square x. Now find integration factor formula. E power integral p dx ఇందాక చేసాం కదా, which is equal to e power integral, what is p? Cosecant square x dx. What is integral cosecant square x? Minus cot x. Very good, minus cot x. This is integration factor. Now what is the solution? We have a solution. Y into integration factor equal to, I'm writing solution, y into integration factor is equal to integration factor into q into dx. Substitute y into e power minus cot x, okay, which is integration factor e power minus cot x. What is q? Cot x into cosecant square x dx. Now how you can solve this? ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం? d by dx of cot x what? Cosecant square x. So let cot x t. Let what? Cot x is equal to t. Then minus cosecant square x dx is what? Dt. So here plus here minus. If you substitute, this is integral e power what? Minus t. E power minus t. It is better take with minus, my dear. Then it will become directly plus. So cot x is t, then cot x derivation minus cosecant square x will become cosecant square x. Cosecant square x dx is equal to what? Dt. Then it will become e power t plus t. Why? Because minus cot x t and cosecant square x dx what? Dt, and already cot x is what? Minus t. This is minus cot. So minus t e power t. Now by parts. I let a e. This is g. This is f. What is I let? F of x t integral g of x e power t dt minus integral f dash of x 1 integral e power t dt into dt, which is equal to minus integral e power t is e power t only, na? So minus t e power t minus into minus plus, and integral e power t again e power t plus c. What is t? Minus cot x. So which is equal to minus cot x e power. So minus cot x will become plus cot x. Minus into minus plus cot x e power minus cot x plus e power minus cot x plus c. LHS y into e power minus cot x. Understand? So finally you have to do integration compulsory. Okay, na? But there is no any cases. Directly integration, right? Right. One more question. See here. So x into x minus 2, we should eliminate x into x minus 2 first of all. So that's why we can write what? Dy by dx minus 2 x minus 1 into y by x into x minus 2. Okay, na? Is equal to x cube into x minus 2 by x into x minus 2. Any doubt? Now here x one time cancel, x minus 2 cancel. Remaining part dy by dx, I'm writing this is plus of, okay na, minus 2 into x minus 1 by x into x minus 2 into y. Can we write? Okay na, and which is equal to x square. This cancel, this cancel, this cancel. So which is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to what? Q. What is p? Minus 2 into x minus 1 by x into x minus 2. What is q? X square. What is the formula for integration factor? E power integral p dx, which is equal to e power integral p dx. See, x minus 1 by x into x minus 2. ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం? This minus 2 outside ra. X minus 1 by x into x minus 2. Then how you can solve my question? Consider partial fraction ra. X minus 1 by x into x minus 2, which is a by x into a by x plus b by x minus 2. Then what? X minus 1 is equal to a into x minus 2 plus b into x. Put what first? X is equal to 0. This is 0. 0 minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 2 minus 2a. Then what is a? 1 by 2. Then x is equal to what? 2. Then this will be 0. This is 2b, and this is 2 minus 1 1. 1 is equal to 2b. Then b is equal to what? 1 by 2. Now we have a and b. Substitute a and b here. Then what you will get? Which is equal to a? 1 by 2 x, b 1 by 2 into x minus 2. But for these two, you have the multiple what? Minus 2. So minus 2, this 2 cancel. So finally it will become, still we are in integration factor, which is equal to e power 2 to cancel, 2 to cancel, but minus is there. So minus 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2. That is integral minus 1 by x dx minus integral 1 by x minus 2 dx, which is e power integral 1 by x is what? Log x. So minus of log x minus of log of x minus 2, which is e power minus common the end, log x plus log x minus 2 will become what? Log of x into x minus 2 minus taking numerator e power log base e x into x minus 2 power minus 1 can be written as x into x minus 2 whole power minus 1 can be written as 1 by x into x minus 2. This is if. Now what is the solution? Y into integration factor is equal to integration factor into q into dx. So y into x by, this is y into this means denominator, which is integral. What is integration factor? 1 by x into x minus 2. And what is q? X square into dx. 1 time x. Now x by x minus 2 is there. Simply, which is equal to integral x by x minus 2 can be written as x minus 2 plus 2 by x minus 2 kada, into dx, which is equal to integral this by this cancel 1 dx and plus 2 integral 1 by x minus 2 dx. So what is integral 1 dx? X 1 by x 2 log of x minus 2 plus c. Same differential equations, linear differential equations. So here solution, you have only dx dy, మరి ఇది తీసుకెళ్దాం dy by dx dx by dy. So any one only possible, not both possible. Suppose if you write dy by dx by dy, ఇది అటు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? It will become what? X by 1 plus y square. Yes, ఇటు వచ్చింది. For example, ఇది denominator, two terms denominator is difficult. So dx by dy is equal to tan inverse y minus x by 1 plus y square. Okay na? Now dx by dy, it can be written as tan inverse y by 1 plus y square minus x by 1 plus y square. Okay na? This term take this side plus x by 1 plus y square is equal to tan inverse y by 1 plus y square, which is in the form of dx by dy plus px is equal to q. What is p ra? 1 by 1 plus x square, p x kada. What is q? Tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. What is integration factor? E power integral p d y. Why? Because this is y square, sorry. Why? Because this is in terms of y, which is equal to e power integral 1 by 1 plus y square dy. 1 by 1 plus y square is what? Integral, sorry, not integral, e power tan inverse y. This is integration factor. What is solution ra? There y into, here x into integration factor is equal to integration factor into q into dy, there dx. So now what is x into integration factor? E power tan inverse y integral. What is integration factor? E power tan inverse y. What is q? Tan inverse y by 1 plus y square into dy. Now substitution method, let tan inverse y is equal to t. Differentiation 1 by 1 plus y square dy is equal to dt. Then it will become integral e power t, and this is what? T, and 1 by 1 plus y square dy is what? dt. T e power t already we done, that is what? T e power t minus e power t plus c, which is what is t? Tan inverse y e power tan inverse y minus e power tan inverse y plus c. ఇంకా దీన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. e power tan inverse y కామన్ తీసి బోత్ సైడ్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేయొచ్చు. దట్ ఇస్ యువర్ విష్. Till here enough. Next, see here also this is directly in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay, so solution dy by dx plus tan x into y is equal to cos cube x, which is in this form. Which form? Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. What is p? Tan x. What is q? Cos square x or cube x? Cos cube x. What is integration factor? E power integral p dx. E power integral tan x dx. What is integral tan x? E power log mod secant x plus c, which is equal to what? Base c na, you will get what? Only secant x or secant x plus c. This is integration factor. What is solution? Y into integration factor equal to integral integration factor into q into dx. Y into integration factor. Secant x is equal to integral integration factor. Secant x. What is q? Cos cube x dx. Cos cube x one time secant cancel, more 2. 1 cos x and 1 secant x cancel, remaining what? Y secant x is equal to integral more cos square x dx. Okay na? So integral cos square x cos power n dx reduction formula, where n greater than or equal to 2. From 2 onwards we can use the reduction formula, but if you remember reduction formula you can use. Otherwise go with one more trigonometry property, that is what? Cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2 into dx. Now apply separate integration. Integral 1 by 2 dx plus integral cos 2x by 2 dx. Okay na? What is integral 1 by 2 dx ra? 1 by 2 outside, integral 1 dx is x plus 1 by 2 outside, integral cos x is what? Sin x, that is sin 2x. For 2x, 2 is the quotient, that is the denominator, plus c. So final answer, y secant x is equal to x by 2 plus sin 2x by 2 to the 4 plus c, or you can do LCM, take this side 4, then 4c. You can do, that is your wish, but still here proper solution. The next continuation. See questions. All are in this way only. You have questions. First, what you have to do? Convert into one of the linear differential equation form. Dy by dx plus py equal to q, or dx by dy plus px is equal to q. After that, you have to find what? Integration factor. There will be chance to ask question related to integration factor for 2 marks. After finding integration factor, substitute in the solution. This is the solution. Okay, we have 2 types of solutions. This only for dx by dy, this is the solution. For dy by dx, this is the solution. You should remember, just replace x with y, dx with dy. Next question. See, dy by dx plus y secant x is equal to tan x. Easy. Equation number 1, which is in the form of which differential equation? Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Q is what? Tan x. P is what? Secant x. Therefore, p is equal to secant x. Q is equal to tan x. Now, what about integration factor? E power integral p dx. For dx by dy, e power integral p dy. So, which is equal to e power integral p secant x dx. What is integral secant x ra? Log mod secant x plus tan x. Log mod secant x plus tan x, which is equal to clearly what? Secant x plus tan x. Why? Because log base e, again this is e, you will get, that is the answer. This is integration factor. Now what is the solution? Y into integration factor, solution integration factor బట్టి పట్టేయాలి, గుర్తుండిపోవాలి. ఓకేనా? Y into integration factor equal to integral integration factor q dx. Y into integration factor secant x plus tan x, ఇక్కడే ఉంది. Integral integration factor
secant x plus tan x into what is q? Q tan x. Now apply separator. Integral secant x into tan x. Secant x tan x dx plus integral tan x into tan x. Tan square x reduction formula. Otherwise, convert into identity. What is tan square x formula? Secant square x minus 1 into dx. What is integral secant x tan x? Secant x. Secant x plus integral secant square x dx minus integral 1 dx. What is integral secant square x? Tan x. So this is secant x plus tan x minus x plus c. This is y into same part. Now come to one more question. Yeah. So here you have dy by dx into something plus y equal to e power tan x. So first you have to eliminate the coefficient of dy by dx kada. Further divide with dy by dx 1 plus x square on both sides. Dy by dx y by 1 plus x square e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Any doubt? This 1 plus x square came this side. Now here dy by dx plus 1 by 1 plus x square into y, can I write? Is equal to e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square, which is in the form of which formula? Dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where this is p and this is what? Q. This is q. So I am writing what is p? 1 by 1 plus x square. What is q? E power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Now what is integration factor? E power integral pdx. Integration factor formula I should remember, man. This many times we repeated integration factor formula, which is equal to e power integral what is p? 1 by 1 plus x square dx, which is equal to e power what? Tan inverse x. 1 by 1 plus x square integration tan inverse x. This is integration factor. Now what is solution? Y into integration factor equal to integration factor into dq into dx. Y into integration factor e power tan inverse x is equal to integral e power tan inverse x. What is q? E power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into dx. One more step. Integral e power tan inverse x, e power tan inverse x, that is e power 2 tan inverse x. Bases same, powers will be added. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse x what? 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Which method to solve this? Substitution method. Put tan inverse x is equal to t, differentiation with respect to x, 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. If you take instead of tan inverse 2 tan inverse, 2 tan inverse x is equal to t, 1 by 1 plus x square into 2 is equal to dt also you can write. That is your wish. I am taking directly tan inverse x. Okay, now substitute here RHS integral tan inverse x is what? T, e power 2t, 1 by 1 plus x square dx what? Dt. What is integral e power ax plus b? E power ax plus b means e power 2t by 2 plus c, which is equal to e power 2t. What is t? Tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. Understand? Okay, now next. అన్నీ ఒకటే మోడల్ రావు. You will get easily 7 marks, 4 marks, 2 marks integration factor only. So this is continuation for your BTech first year. Don't forget. Malli meeku vastadi. Okay. So here dy by dx into what? So eliminate cos x, nana. That is what? Dy by dx plus y sin x by what? Cos x. Cos x is equal to what? Secant square x by cos x. We are dividing both sides with cos x to eliminate the quotient. Now dy by dx plus sin x by cos x. Tan x into y is equal to cos x, you can take numerator, that is secant power 4x, which is in the form of what? dy by dx plus py is equal to q. What? Okay, what is p? P is equal to tan x. Very good. What is q? Secant power 4x. Now integration factor what? E power integral p dx. That is integration factor, which is equal to e power integral p tan x dx. What is integral tan x? Log mod secant x. So base already e na. So what is integration factor? Secant x. Integration factor is secant x. Now solution. Y into integration factor is equal to integration factor into q dx. Y into integration factor secant x, integration factor secant x, q secant power 4x dx. Sorry, secant power 4, secant power 1, secant power 5. My god, integral secant power 5x dx. Now go to reduction formula, it is better. Otherwise how, sir? Mali ఏం చేయాలి? You have to convert into secant square into secant square into secant. 1 secant square will be 1 plus tan square. Again tan x is equal to t. ఆ ప్రాసెస్ చేయాలి. It is better, remember reduction formula. Okay, ఏంటి? Reduction formula. Easy to solve this. Okay, this is I am giving as homework. We have all reduction formulas. అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. 6 ఇచ్చేసిన, no 8 ఇచ్చేసిన మొత్తం. Now continuation. Okay, see, x plus y plus 1 divided by dx is equal to 1. This is little bit different question. Here, if you take this side, it will become what? 1 by x plus y plus 1 kada? So this is not in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. All are in denominator. We need in numerator. That's why what we have to do, instead of writing dy by dx, write dx by dy. So ఆ థాట్ వస్తే గ్రేట్ అన్నట్టు. By practice only వస్తుంది అది, లేకపోతే రాదు. Taking that side, x plus y plus 1 is equal to what? dx by dy. dx by dy. So dx by dy, what is actually? dx by dy plus px is equal to q. ఇది కదా? So we need here plus some x term, x into something. So that's why what I am doing, dx by dy plus px. I am taking x that side. X I am taking that side. You will get what? Y plus 1 right side kada? Minus x. What is right side? Y plus 1. This one we can write like dx by dy plus of minus 1 into x is equal to y plus 1. Can we write? Now what is p? What is q? So p is equal to minus 1, q is equal to y plus 1. Integration factor formula, e power integral p dy, p dy, e power integral p dy. Why? Because these are in y terms na. So which is equal to e power integral minus 1 dy, which is equal to e power minus y. Okay na? Now come to solution. What is the solution ra? Y into, but here x into integration factor is equal to integration factor into q into dy. Here dx, there dy. So x into e power minus y is equal to integral e power minus y q y plus 1 into dy. Now apply separator. Integral e power minus y into y dy plus integral e power minus y dy. So again by parts ra. Highlight. This is a, this is e, this is f, this is g. Instead of e power y, we have e power minus y. X e power x is x e power x minus e power x only. No formula same, but minus you will get. So first write fy integral e power minus y minus e power minus y minus integral 1 and e power minus y, that is minus e power minus y plus this one will become minus e power minus y plus c. Simple ఇది. నేను అంత స్పీడ్ చేస్తున్నాను మీరు అనుకోవద్దు. This is very easy. E power minus y integration is what? Minus e power minus y. E power y, only e power y. Okay. So now here e power minus y again minus e power minus y, which is equal to, first I am writing this minus y e power minus y, and this is minus e power minus y, and this is minus e power minus y plus c, which is minus y e power minus y minus 2 times of e power minus y plus c, which is equal to x into e power minus y. Continuation I am doing for this question. Remaining question I didn't do, but I will show you. See, this is what e power minus y. I'm taking from right side e power minus y common. This is minus y minus 2 plus c by e power minus y. Okay, taking my e power minus y, there is nothing now. That's why it will be denominator. These two will get. So x is equal to minus y minus 2 plus c into e power y. Can we write numerator positive? Take this side. X plus y plus 2 is equal to c into e power y. Now the last two questions, which are completely different, we should solve by using Leibniz form. Okay. If you observe, these are in terms of x and y. Till now we have no question including x and y. See, x and y only x. X, y different. See, x and y only x. See, x, y, x different. But there is no question, all are including x and y, x and y, x and y. So this type of questions, we first, by using Leibniz, we can solve this. So that is by substitution method. See, solution. This is dy by dx of something equal to 1. Instead of writing dy by dx, it is better to write dx by dy. Why? Because if you write dy by dx, it will be the denominator. No use. It should be numerator. So first I will explain this. This is dy by dx form. Easy, you can understand. Then we will discuss this. Okay now. So see, dy by dx. Okay, very good. The form is what? Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. These two are in terms of x. RHS should be x, but we have here what? Y also. Y also there. So first we should eliminate this. If you want to eliminate, you have to divide, right? If you divide this, it will comes again with this as coefficient. Only problem. So for that, what we have to do, see, I'm dividing both sides with cos square y first of all, or I'm taking cos square y this side. 1 by, listen carefully, cos square y into dy by dx plus x sin 2y, 2 sin y cos y sin 2 theta formula by cos square y is equal to x cube by cos square y into cos square y, cos square y, cos square y, one time cos. Now 1 by cos square will become what? Secant square y dy by dx plus 2 into sin y by cos y, tan y, 2 tan y into x is equal to x cube. Suppose ఇది లేదనుకుందాం, dy by dx plus px, no, not possible, py కదా. Here it should be dx by dy, so that is also not possible. For that, put 2 tan x is equal to t. What you are taking? 2 tan x is equal to t. Differentiation with respect to x. 2 into x tan x differentiation. Secant square x. Secant square x. We have 2 tan x or 2 tan y. 2 tan y is equal to t. Differentiation with respect to x. Then 2 into tan y differentiation. Secant square y and dy by dx, which is equal to dt by dx. With respect to x we are doing. 2 tan y is equal to what? This is equal to what? Replace dt by dx. Okay na? This value. The plus this is what? Into what? is equal to what? X cube. If you observe, this is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. How, sir? In place of t, what? 1 by 2. This 2 will come this side. Correct. Very good. One more step. Correct. We have only secant square by dy. There is no 2. So, this 2 will come here. That is secant square y dy by dx value will become 1 by 2 dt by dx. Now, substitute here. This will become dt by dx into 1 by 2 plus this is what? T into x is equal to what? X cube. Okay, na? I am taking 2 this side. Dt by dx plus 2x into t is equal to 2x cube. 2x cube. This is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. కావాలంటే చూడండి dt that is dy by dx okay. P something is different. Instead of t, a t. Instead of y, here a y. So this is in the form of this one. What is P? What is Q? What is integration factor? E power integral 2x dx, which is equal to e power x integration x square by 2. 2 cancel. X square. E power x square is integration factor. Now what is the solution? Solution y into integration factor is equal to integration factor into q dx. Y into integration factor e power x square is equal to integration factor e power x square into q. What is q? 2x cube. So y into e power x square is equal to into dx kada. Integral e power x square 2 outside x cube I am writing as x square x dx. Yeah, since x square derivation x kada. See e power x square from this x square and 2x dx can I write? Check just one. E power x square into x cube 2 is there. Now let this is t or this is t, anyone, x square t. X square is equal to t, differentiation with respect to x square differentiation 2x dx is equal to what? Dt. So which is equal to integral e power t, this is also t, this is what? Dt. T e power t integration what? T e power t minus e power t, which is equal to t e power t minus e power t plus c, which is t x square e power x square minus e power x square plus c LHS y into e power x square. Same process what we done there. E power x square common cancel denominator, you can do that. Okay, now come to this one. That is dy by dx plus py equal to q form. This is dx by dy. So I am taking this that side, you will get what? X square y plus xy is equal to dx by dy. Now dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Plus px is equal to q. So what I am doing, I am writing this here minus xy, taking that side. This same as it is x square y. Okay na? Now I am eliminating x square, dividing by x on both sides, x square on both sides. So you will get what? 1 by x square dx by dy minus xy by x square is equal to x square y by x square, 1 time x. So this is 1 by x square dx by dy plus minus 1 by x into y. Can we write? Minus 1 by x into y is equal to what? Here x square cancel only y. Now here coefficient we should eliminate. Same substitution method. Put minus 1 by x is equal to t. Differentiation what? Minus 1 by x. 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x square. Minus 1 by x differentiation plus 1 by x square. 1 by x square dx by dy dx by dy with respect to, sorry, here y, since we need y with respect to what, y. So dx by dy which is equal to dt by dy. Substitute this is nothing but what, dt by dy plus this is what, t into y is equal to y. Okay na, is equal to, correct only. Yeah, so dy by dx plus p, same, this is in the form of dx by dy plus py is equal to, sorry, px is equal to q, where p and q in terms of y. So what is p, y, what is q, y. So p is equal to y, q is equal to y, integration factor is equal to e power integral p dy, which is equal to e power integral y dy, which is equal to e power y square by 2. This is integration factor only. Now solution, what is the solution for this type of linear differential equation? X into integration factor is equal to integral integration factor into q into dy. So x into integration factor y square by 2, which is equal to integral e power y square by 2. What is q, y dy. Okay na. So ఇప్పుడు మన టార్గెట్, let this is t ra, y square by 2 is equal to what, t. Then what is y square ra, 2t. Differentiation what ra, differentiation with respect to y, then 2y y square 2y dy is equal to 2 into t differentiation 1. Now here 2 2, so y dy value, y dy value 1 dt. So y dy plus మనం ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు, ఓన్లీ dt. Come to the question, which is integral e power, this is what, t, y dy is what, dt. Correct అయినా మళ్ళీ చెక్ చేద్దాం. Y square is 2t, so 2 into 1 dt, correct. So yes, so which is e power t ante e power t plus c. What is t, y square by 2 plus c LHS e power y square by 2. So this is about Leibniz, by using Leibniz. This is about differential equations, case 1, case 2, case 3, linear differential equation, first method and second method. This is complete maths to be. అర్థమవుతుందా, జాగ్రత్త ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోండి. కంటిన్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇన్ బీటెక్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్. ఇదే ఉంటుంది మొత్తం, ఇంకా చాలా పెద్ద పెద్ద ఉంటాయి బీటెక్. ఓకే, రైట్, ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.